Hi everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over a 2018 174 J-Flight. We're going to start off on the interior and finish off on the outside. Follow me. Here we are inside the travel trailer. We've got a nice east-west bed here in the front. Doesn't take up as much room as a north-south bed, but you still get an actual bed in this trailer, which is very nice. We've got storage up above, AC. Lots of windows up here in the front. We've got a front window. The cover is closed down right now, so we're not letting in the maximum amount of light, but it's very handy to have that. As we move through the trailer, we've got a good sized booth dinette here. This can be made down into another sleeping area in this trailer. Across, we've got our kitchen with our 2-burner stove, our hood and microwave, our fridge freezer combination here, and actually a fairly good amount of storage for such a small trailer. Up above as well. And as we move to the back, we also have pantry here. So they don't skip on the storage. Nice toilet in here with the tub shower combination. Skylight above. A mirror behind me so you can comb your hair at the beginning of the day and get ready for your day ahead. Here we've got a nice bunk. Got a window in the lower bunk and a light here in the top. These are actually rated up to 300 pounds. So you can put an adult up here and feel confident they're gonna not end up on the second bunk. All right, we're gonna go out and take a look at the exterior features. Follow me. Outside, we've got a nice electric awning with speakers built in to the awning. It's pretty cool. We've got additional 110 power outside if we need to power anything. These panels here are the back of the fridge. There's really no reason to get in there. That's just for service technicians. Place to store your sewer hose. LED lights throughout, pretty cool. Full-size spare tire with the cover. In the back corner here is your water heater. This is your city water connection, and here's your sewer dump below. This is your 30-amp power cord. Stoves right in there. Your exhaust for your furnace does get hot, can burn, just keep that in mind. Potable water for dry camping goes here. Let's talk about weight real quick. You're right around 3,000 pounds dry and 3,750 fully loaded on this trailer. So if you have any questions regarding this or any of our RVs, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Have a great day.